Hello, welcome back to a course building Flutter app with Navigator 1, and today we are going to learn about overlay class. There are three main classes in the navigation layers that we can use, and the one is Navigator. Navigator, we have already seen it. Now we are moving to overlay class. Overlay class is a class used by Navigator to specify the appearance of the route. So internally, Navigator uses this overlay class to specify the appearance of the class. The route, the appearance of the route. So you can still use this class if you want to deal with the appearance, or if you want to float one widget over the other, you'll use this class. But internally, you don't have to worry because Navigator uses this, and we won't actually deal with this class direct. Only Navigator is a class that will deal with this overlay class. So let's go and see the API of this Navigator class, so as we can at least understand what it is and the power, the strengths of it, so as we can understand. But all in all, we don't want to worry about it because Navigator is the one that will deal with it internally. Unless otherwise, if you want to create a floating widget, or if you want to create a very complex widget, depends on your requirement, it's where you have to run overlay class in details. So let's go and see what Flutter provide information about this class. From the Flutter API documentations, is here we can see overlay class, and I support null left, and it's a stack of entries that can be managed independently. So overlay lets implement the child widget float visually element on the top of the other widget by inserting them into the overlay stack. So if you want to create such kind of floating thing, that's where you have to use this overlay class. Now overlay lets you each of this widget manages their participation in the overlay class using overlay entry object. Don't worry, if you want to go deep, you can just go there. But although you can create overlay direct, it's most common used in the overlay created by Navigator and the widget app or material app. So Navigator uses its overlay to manage the visual appearance of its route, as I've just said. So you don't have to worry about it because Navigator created it internally. So widget overlay widget uses a custom stack implementation, which is similar to that stack widget, and as the main use case of overlay is related to navigations and being able to insert widget on top of the page in the app. So as you can see, this is a classes that is used mostly in navigation layer, and don't worry because internally is used by Navigator widget to manage the appearance of the route. So as you can see, you don't have to worry about it, unless otherwise if you want to create your custom and complex implementation, that is where you need to learn more about this overlay class. So I've just introduced to you as one of the main classes used in navigation layer, so as you may understand what is happening behind the scene. Till next time when you learn something new, bye bye.